They just opened up their, get the flashlight out here, baby. They're stocking stuffers. They got horns for their tricycles. Look at Preston. He's all looking at everything. You like your flashlight, Betty?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? You like your horn?
Open the horn.
Open the horn? Well, let's open up our presents now.
Hey, Kitty. No. Open this one.
How do you ask me?
Please.
Okay, I'll open it right now. Do you like it? Look at me, Molly. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun.